Welcome goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'm gonna cook some shrimp, and here I have my shrimp nice and washed. So I like to leave the head on. If you don't like the heads on, then you can take them off. Okay, so we're just gonna season our shrimp. I have some garlic powder here, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going in with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Yes, throw it in, man. Dash it in. Yep. A little bit of my chicken seasoning. Some paprika, smoked paprika. Some celery salt. Just a little tit. And some of my Maggi chicken seasoning. You can use the all-purpose or the fish if you have that, because you cook shrimp, but I work with what I have. I'm gonna add some peppercorns. Added my peppercorns, and I'm just gonna rub this in. Get them nice and seasoned. Yup. So we're doing a little bit of, kind of like garlic butter shrimp. So we're gonna get the garlic butter paste ready. All right, nice and seasoned. So goodies, here I have my pot, and I'm just going to add the butter and the garlic. Okay goodies, so after you add the butter and the garlic, you just let it fry for about a minute. Don't want the garlic to burn. Then you put in your shrimp. Just gonna toss this around a little in the butter and the garlic until they start to change color for about 2 more minutes. And then we're going to be adding some bell peppers. Yes, so I just diced the bell peppers, but you can really cut them how you want to cut them. So just cut them up and throw them in. I definitely like to use onions when I'm doing my shrimp, so I've added some red onions. You can add any onion you have. So I'm going in with some oyster sauce. I'm also going to be adding some Worcestershire sauce and some soy sauce. I'm also adding some fish sauce, about a tablespoon of the oyster sauce, a teaspoon of the fish sauce, and a teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce. I'm adding enough water to cook my shrimp, just enough to cover the shrimp, and then I'm just going to leave this to cook. Because I add the water and the shrimp tend to normally sweat more water, I like to cook this open, so I'm not going to cover the pot. So I'm just going to leave it like this for the gravy to get thick. And then I'm going to, of course, taste my pot and see if it wants anything. So here I'm adding some pepper. You can add whatever pepper you want. I'm adding some chili flakes, but this is optional. So goodies, as you can see, I tasted my pot, and of course it's missing a little bit of ginger. So I've added the ginger. And to balance things off, I like to add a little bit of sweetness. So what you can do, you can add a little bit of brown sugar. It depends on if it's tasting too tangy. Okay, but look at the gravy. It is looking absolutely amazing. The gravy gone down, me taste it, everything tastes good. I'm just liking the result and the taste. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscription button. Like the video, share the video with your friends and your family, and leave me a comment. So I've dished it out. You can have this with rice, noodles, some broccoli, whatever you want to have it with. Okay, my good friends, thank you all for watching. Until next time, God bless you.